5 years ago, a mother was 4 times as old as her son. Last year, the combined age was 108 years. How old is the son? Now, this is a question of what problem that will lead to a simultaneous equation. This is a what problem question that will lead to a simultaneous equation. Now, the mother's age is assumed to be y, while the son's age is x. From here now, 5 years ago, when it's 5 years ago, that is to say y minus 5. That is, the mother's age is, that is less 5 from the mother's age. 5 years ago, a mother was 4 times as old as her son. 4 times as old as her son. That is 5 years ago. It will still be indicated here. Now, look at it. I will now solve this question. Y minus 5 equals to, I'll open the bracket, 4 times x, give 4x, plus times minus, that is minus 4 times 5, that's 20. Then I will now collect line terms here, y, bringing 4x here, that will be what? Minus 4x, which equals to minus 20, the minus 5 cross to the other side, change to plus 5. Then I have minus y minus 4x equals to minus 20 plus 5, that is minus 15. I will call this one equation 1. I will call this one equation 1. Now let's look at the question again. Okay, this statement now say, the second statement say, last year their combined age was 108 years. How old is the son? Last year their combined age was 108 years. How old is the son? Last year, the B1 has to be subtracted from that year. Last year, their combined age means the total addition of the mother's age and the son's age equals 108 years. 1 minus 1, y minus 1 plus x minus 1 gives 108. That is their combined age last year. The combined age of the mother and the son equals to what? 108. Last year, the combined age is this. Then I open the bracket. I have y minus 1 here plus x plus x minus, that's minus. The 1 times 1 gives 1 here, 108 here. Now from here now, y plus x, this minus 1 gives minus 2. Then everything equals to 108. Y plus x equals to 108. Minus 2 goes out and change to what? To plus 2. Y plus x equals to what? 110 here. I call this one equation 2. Now moving to this side. Now, I will not combine the two equations. Combine the two equations. Combine the two equations. Combine the two equations. Now the first equation is y minus 4x. Y minus 4x equals to minus 15. Equation 1. The second one is y plus x. Y plus x equals to 110. That one is equation 2. Okay. Now I have that 108 plus 2, that's 110. Now from here now, I have this y having the same coefficient of 1. Then I can eliminate here. The eliminating here means I'm going to subtract the equation rather, because I have the same sign here, positive, positive. That means I will subtract the equation from each other. Now subtracting the equation, I'm not subtract minus 4x from x. That will be x minus 4x, which we change to x plus 4x. That one is 5x. Now subtract 15. That is, I'm going to subtract minus 15 from 110. Now let's look at it. 110 minus 15. That will change to 110 plus 15, which will be equals to 125. Then x will now be 125 over 5. 5 here 1, 5 in 2, 5 in 12, that is 2, remainder 2. 5 in 25, that is 5. So x equals to 25. And from here, note, from here, son's age equals to x. How old is the son? The son is 25 years old. The son is 25 years old. That is the answer to the question. Now looking from here now, again, 5 years ago, a mother was 4 times as old as the son. Last year, the combined age was 108 years. How old is the son? How old is the son? That is, this is a word problem equation that led to simultaneous equation, and the question is being solved. It's as simple as ABC. Then the answer here is 25 years old, which is the age of the son. Thank you.